Hey guys, and welcome back to Do It on a Dime. Today's video is a frugal and easy bathroom renovation, and you need no skill to do any of these DIYs. Trust me, if we can do it, you definitely can too. These are 5 easy tricks you can take into your space, and I hope you enjoy. I love it.
And then that's supposed to happen.
I'm no stranger to the renovation videos on this channel. I've shared tons of them with you guys over the years, and they're always so much fun. And today we're working with our guest bathroom, which is kind of an awkward shape. We actually hadn't even touched it since we moved in 4 years ago. And the first upgrade we wanted to do was the vanity. Lots of these projects require a lot of sanding and prep and primers, but I found an amazing product on Amazon that I'd never heard of before called Beyond Paint. This, you don't have to sand or prime or do any prep to your cabinetry, and it sticks to tons of materials ranging from countertops to wood to plastic. All you have to do is degrease your cabinets and make sure they're really clean, and then paint this on in 2 light coats. I removed the doors to make it a lot easier to paint, and this went really fast. I would recommend using a roller brush and a paintbrush, and this paint is really thick, almost like cement. First, using your paintbrush, you're going to put it in the spots where the roller would have a hard time reaching, and then go over it with a nice, easy coat. You really can't mess this up, unless of course you have a dog. He's lucky, he's so cute. This paint takes about 2 hours to dry between coats, but it's so easy to work with. I definitely will do it again. And I only used about 1/4 of the can. It is a little bit textured, but I think once I get the second coat on, it's gonna look a lot better. The roller brush is definitely the way to go. Look how smooth this finishes. I love this DIY, and I can't wait to do this in more of our bathrooms. And I found some awesome hardware on Amazon for just about $2 a piece, which is an amazing deal. I'll link it down below. Don't forget to get felt bumper pads. It's going to help it last the long haul for years and years. Next are affordable upgrades with fixtures. I removed all of those things from the wall and patched them up, and I used an old can of paint I already had in my garage. I'll be sure to link the color down below. I voluntold Charlie he was going to be doing this, so. But I think the biggest impact was a mirror that I found on Amazon. It was the cheapest place I could find it. I'll be sure to link it down below, and wow, did it make a huge impact.
That work?
It looks very good. The other thing that is really gonna make this space is a brand new fixture. Oh, that's gonna look so good there. And of course, cleaning up when applying new fixtures is also really satisfying. Once we got that in, it was looking great. I also added some really inexpensive floating shelves to the wall. It's perfect. I got the art 50% off on clearance, and I usually use command hooks to put this up in case I want to change it out later. Super easy. Goodbye, boob light. You are going to be awesome now.
Now I have to actually do it, right?
Yes. I also wanted to do a little something with the floor. Now, if you followed me for a while, you know I love Grout Refresh. This is basically a way to paint your grout, and that way I could connect the vanity and the entire room together. This goes on really easily. You can just buy it online. It's very inexpensive, and it really makes a huge impact in your space, especially if your grout has discolored over time. Okay, so I had to throw this one in because I couldn't stop laughing. I really fell in love on the hardware store's website with shower screens. There's so many amazing modern ones, and I found a tutorial on Pinterest where you could actually use black electric tape to bring it to life, and it looked so cool. I decided to try my hand at it with our door. I didn't want to cover the entire thing in electric tape because I was worried about longevity, but turns out it did not look as great as the picture.
You want my honest opinion, right?
I mean, this is the internet. That's what we're here for.
Yeah, I don't love it. It's got kind of a prison-y aesthetic.
Well, it is 2020. And also, it's like a wall decal. You can just take it down anytime you want.
You could just take it down.
I think it adds.
You can see what people think in the comments.
One word that kept coming to mind during this renovation was freedom. Letting go of so many things. It's so simple under the sink now with toiletries, towels, and my cleaning caddy. I just love it, and it's such a great bathroom space. And you'll see there's tons of Dollar Tree products in there. A fun trick I saw on TikTok, especially if you have guests coming, is to fold your toilet paper into a triangle and then put it underneath of your sink. And the water will create kind of a faux seal. It almost looks like one of those wax seals, and it looks really beautiful. You should definitely subscribe and leave this video a big thumbs up if you want more easy and frugal tips like it. I am so grateful for you guys. I love you so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
Fix all those. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, why would I do that? Do you know what you're doing?
Yeah, sort of.
I need to clean that cabinet. Can you move your head maybe just a little bit so I can clean it? Move it. Like as in sit up your head? Like, there you go. Okay.